Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be working on the Mercedes Benz GL 450. We're gonna be replacing the side mirror turn signal light. We push the top of the mirror in. Hold the bottom of the mirror and pull it out gently. Now the mirror is out, we have full access to the inside of the side mirror view. We're gonna have to release all 9 clamps that hold the mirror frame. Once we release all the clamps, we're gonna be able to pull the frame out. We are going to use a flat screwdriver. Release this clamp, and down there's a clamp. Release it too. Once the clamp is released, the plastic cover will be able to be removed. This is the puddle light bulb, and we're going to replace it too. And this connector is for the turn signal light. This is the part number, and it is for a 2009 Mercedes Benz GL 450. The box has the side mirror view turn signal light, the puddle light adapter, and 2 screws. This is the connector, and these are the wires of the adapter. This side of the wire is going to go against the wall of the connector right here. Just push the 2 black wires in. Now we are going to install it. To remove the turn signal light, we have to release the connector by pressing on that little plastic here and pull it out. Squeeze and pull it out. And we're gonna replace the turn signal light. Installation is a reversal of the removal. Thank you for watching.